Today, we're showing you how to access and download your W-2 form on ADP. We will also put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up. To start, open the website adp.com, then click on the Sign In button at the upper right corner of the screen. To sign in, you will be asked to click on the description that applies to you. Then click on Next. Since we have selected former employee, we will be asked to enter the personal information that we have shared to our employer, such as our first and last name, date of birth and social security number. Once entered, click on Continue. After that, you will be asked to enter your phone number to verify your identity. On the field provided, enter your personal mobile number. Then click on Verify Phone Number. Next, on the field provided, enter the verification code sent to the phone number you have provided. Then click on Continue. After that, you will see the terms and conditions. Read through the information given. Once read and if you agree, click on Accept. Then, on this page, you will see your tax statements. Click on the drop-down arrow beside the year shown to access the tax statements from the year you wish to view. Next, click on the right arrow beside the statement you wish to view and download. A side tab that shows your tax statement will then appear. If you wish to download only this specific statement, click on the button that says Download at the bottom part of the screen. However, if you wish to download all tax statements related to the year selected, click on the button that says Download All. That's how you access and download your W-2 form on ADP. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.